Introduction to MasterPiece Cloud. MasterPiece Cloud for iPad and Android is a cloud-based system which enables you to measure in the home with or without an internet connection. Because jobs are saved to the cloud, a job is immediately available to your colleagues back in the store. MasterPiece is designed for use while moving from room to room in the customer's home. Rooms are drawn in a manner very similar to drawing on paper. One technique is to stroke a finger along the screen to create the wall of the room, lifting the finger at the end of the wall. Then put the finger down at the same spot to stroke out the next wall. Finally, touch on the close button to complete the shape. An alternative technique, which many estimators consider quicker, is to tap on each corner of the room, as being shown here. Then enter the measurement you have taken for each wall. MasterPiece records in blue each measurement you enter and deduces for itself in pink any remaining measurements. Doorways and risers can be dragged on and the required door bar assigned to that doorway. Information can be collected for each room about underlay, gripper requirements, and also who will have responsibility for removing furniture, uplift and disposal. Creation of stairways is easy. Just drag in each stairway component. And enter its dimensions. The ordering of each component falls into place naturally, thereby giving good guidance to the fitter. The customer will be impressed with a 3D view of the stairway. Once the rooms have been dimensioned, we go to the floor plan to select the seams and pile directions. Because we entered the doorways linking the rooms, we see the rooms positioned as they really are in the property. MasterPiece provides an intelligent seam and pile direction tool which offers seam positions that take account of doorways and risers. We say what width of carpet we plan to use, and then just confirm our preferred option from those offered. After a final review of the pile and seams, we go to the planning view to request a cutting plan. This gets generated on the cloud server. When the cutting plan is returned, we can review it to confirm we are happy with the wastage, and also see how the plan will look when printed. We can do different plans for different widths, or do a plan which has multiple widths. With the plans complete, we can see all the quantification information that will be used to cost up the job. The fitting sheet is automatically formulated at this point, so no longer needs to be written up by hand. It tells the fitter who is responsible for what, as well as giving quantities required. The fitting sheet plus the cutting plans and floor plan are automatically collated into a PDF which can be emailed. For those who decide to purchase the costing capability, the job will automatically show a cost breakdown based on the selections that were made for each room. The accessory and labour items for costing can be named as required and given their price that will be remembered for future jobs. The cost breakdown shows the total price with labour shown separately. The whole job is immediately available to your colleagues in the store. However, if no internet connection, then the job is saved locally on the tablet and copied later when an internet connection is available. If the store has Windows PCs or laptops rather than iPad or Android, then no problem, MasterPiece can be accessed on Windows as well. Overall, MasterPiece estimates flooring like you do, both in the home and in the store. The difference is that the customer is impressed with the professionalism, and for you there will be less mistakes, no lost plans, and no plans still to write up in the evening.